This is Ankush here from Alip Consulting. Today we are going to talk about Azure Network Watcher. Now, first, let's understand what exactly Azure Network Watcher is and what exactly a need of having a Azure Network Watcher enabled for your environment. Well, so Azure Network Watcher is a tool which provides us to monitor, diagnostic, and view the metrics and enable and disable the logs for resources in a Azure network. So how this help you to monitor? But let's say you have a complex networking and you're having some issues to connect the one resources to the another resources within a VNet or maybe within a subscription, but you don't know where to look around and you need to find out the solution or need to find out the traffic flow for that specific problem. Network Watcher can help you with that. Network Watcher will be able to give you the complete path of the traffic and will be able to tell you from where the problem is there. Network Watcher is designed to monitor and repair the network health of the infrastructure as a service products, which include virtual machine, virtual network, application gateway, load balancers, and maybe you're having other resources like a storage and stuff. You would be able to uh, basically monitor them. You would be able to see what exactly is happening with the network health. You would be able to see where is the problem, where is the blockage is there. So it will be basically going to work across the network and will be able to give you the monitoring and would be you would be able to see the view and you would be able to diagnostic the problem where is the problem is. Well, here is the features of having a Azure Network Watcher: automated remote network monitoring and packet capture, gain insight into your network traffic using the flow logs, monitor your virtual machine network security groups using flow log and the security group view, remotely capture packet data of your virtual machine. So these are the some of the features which Azure Network Watcher can provide you. Well, here is the bigger picture. So if you see, we have a plenty of devices for Azure networking. So we have a Express Route, we have a site-to-site VPN, we have SD-WAN, we have a VNet point-to-site connection, we have a VNet pairing, we have a firewall, we have a bunch of other services as well like a CDN, DNS, traffic manager, load balancer, and network appliance, plunder, and application gateway. So to manage all of them, what you need the Azure Network Watcher. So Azure Network Watcher would be able to provide you the capability to monitor all of this component and give you and help you to troubleshoot the network flow as well. So let's say you are having a problem to connecting with Azure data center in which where you have deployed your resources and you need to find where is the problem, why the Azure data center is not able to reach your on-premise data centers. You with the network watcher you would be able to see what is the flow looks like, what is the network flow looks like, or where is the problem, on which of there is a problem. Same way you would be able to do between the two networks. You would be able to do when you are having a network virtual appliances, and you would be able to do when you have a firewall as well. At the same time you would also able to trace a public websites as well. So let's say there is a problem, you're not able to raise some specific public websites through your virtual machines. You can go ahead and use the network watcher to monitor them as well, and then from there you can see where is the problem or which of there is a problem, and accordingly you can troubleshoot those issues as well. Well, this is how your connection monitoring happen. uh, so you can create your test groups. You can basically have Azure monitor integrated with the Azure Network Watcher, and then from there you can basically have a bunch of monitoring setup for your monitor for your all the network resources. Well, here are some of the capabilities of Azure Network Watcher. It can do a network monitoring, it can do a diagnostic, and it can give you the logs as well. So it can provide you a monitoring between one endpoint to the another endpoint. You can see what is the relationship between two network resources. It can help you to diagnostic the traffics between the VM. If there is any routing problem, if there is any outbound connection issues, it can help you to capture the VM packets. It can diagnose the problem of Azure Virtual Gateway and the connections as well. It can help you to determine the latencies as well in between the regions and the internet service provider as well. It can help you to basically view the security logs as well. So you can see there is bunch of capabilities which network watcher provide, and that's the reason it's a very important tool when you need to troubleshoot or when you need to see where is the problem in your network, right? Well, let's move on to the demo. So in the demo, I have a two VMs deployed. I will be going to show you how exactly network traffic works, how exactly it can give you the view of your traffic, and in case of any issues or any errors or any blockage, how this can help you to troubleshoot the issue, right? Well, let's move to the Azure portal. Well, in my case, I already have a two VMs deployed. One is in the Central India, another one is in the also in the Central India. So how I can go ahead and troubleshoot or how I can run the network monitoring? So what I need to do, I just need to go here under the monitoring, and here this is the connection monitoring which I can do, and from here I would be able to run the network watcher feature. So I just need to click here, and if you can see I have a plenty of options. So this is the classic one, but if you want to, so this will be going to give you like this is a classic monitor from where you can go ahead and monitor the Azure configuration.